Let's take a look right now at the Big Eye. You can see those flags. We have some east and southeast winds blowing right now. That's actually helping because it's kind of blowing that smoke and haze we've been experiencing the last couple of days out of our state. That could be changing later on this afternoon, though, because some west winds could be moving back in. Speaking of that air quality alert, you can see that this one is in place until noon. So if you live in Farmington, Gallup, even the metro area, and even down to Socorro, we do have an air quality alert in place until noon today. It is expiring then, but again, it could be coming back later on this afternoon. Temperatures across our state right now, still a pretty chilly start to your morning. Northwestern portion of our state, Farmington 48 degrees, Gallup 42. Those temps, though, will be going up and continuing to climb over the next few days. Southeastern portion of our state, triple digits, and Roswell, you will be expecting those triple digits for a few days. Don't worry, though, we do have some relief coming in later on because of a cold front moving in. Futurecast showing that for those moving in Clayton, a storm just moved out of the way, and don't worry if you have any plans this Father's Day weekend. We are not expecting any more moisture moving into our state throughout the rest of this week. That will be changing, though, later on during your work week. Let's go on over to the southeastern portion of our state. Roswell, we saw that high of 102, and then we've got a low of 66 overnight. But here is your 7-day forecast. Triple digits, multiple days in a row. Those temps climbing, even going up to 106 on Tuesday. But Tuesday night, we've got a cold front moving in, so those temps will be dropping after that. Southwestern portion of our state, Silver City, we've got a high of 86, low of 60 degrees. Let's fly on over to the northwestern portion of our state, Farmington. It started with a chilly start to your morning, going up to a high of 86 and then a low of 54 overnight. Here is your 7-day forecast in Farmington. Along with that air quality alert, we've got some hazy conditions out there. Then those temps continuing to climb later on during your work week, and then going up to 98 on Thursday and Friday. Northeastern portion of our state, Raton, high of 78, low of 48 degrees. Here is what you can expect in Santa Fe. We've got a special legislative session in place later on today, a high of 86, low of 56 degrees. Here is your 7-day forecast in Santa Fe. Again, we've got those hazy conditions in place, and then those temps starting to climb before dropping as that cold front moves in Tuesday night. Your East Mountains to Harris, high of 86, low of 50 degrees. Here is your Albuquerque metro area, seeing those highs in the low 90s. And as for the rest of your metro, kind of the same story. Unless you live in the foothills in Placitas, your highs are only in the high 80s. And here is your 7-day forecast in Albuquerque. Again, we are seeing those hazy conditions in place. An air quality alert expiring at noon today, but that could be changing later on this afternoon. Those temps continuing to climb before dropping Tuesday night because of that cold front moving in, and along with it, some moisture.